911. What is your emergency?
I see a figure staring at me.
Okay, so what is your address?
He is coming, what?
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Continental United States.
Santa Claus, Indiana!
For the last century, volunteers here help respond to more than 20,000 letters from kiddos across the globe. The post office here is the official address for
This message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Management Agency. A civil danger warning has been issued for Washington County. Approximately 2 hours ago, a lot of 911 calls reported that they found a strange entity that was staring at them. After a few seconds, they were killed. You should avoid that entity. If you have spotted the entity, run immediately and contact your nearest police station immediately. Stay tuned for more information. This message is transmitted at the request of the civil authorities. Stay awake. I repeat, stay awake. Do not go to sleep. If you sleep, you die. It appears that the entity is more hostile without lights. Do something that you can stay awake. Like doing chores. I repeat, stay awake. This message is transmitted at the request of the civil authorities. All clear. All clear. The entity retreated back to the forest. We do not know will he come back at night, but we urge residents close to the national forest to evacuate to inner place. We also know the entity name. It is called the Killer. It is 5 foot tall and it runs fast. If you see the killer, do not hesitate to call the police. This is all for now. Thank you for your time and have a great day. This message is transmitted at the request of the civil authorities. A shelter-in-place order has been placed. The killer is back. But this time he is more strong. He can open doors with just one kick. It is more hostile. Take the following actions to ensure the safety. Lock all doors and windows. Barricade your doors to prevent the killer from entering your home. If the killer is here, hide immediately. If you don't take these actions, your life will be in great danger. Stay tuned for more information.
This message is transmitted at the request of the civil authorities. Run immediately. I repeat, run immediately. They know where you are. They know that you are in shell.
This message is transmitted at the request of the government. The killer is coming. He knows where you are. He knows where you live. He is delighted to see you and eat you. Be prepared. He is coming. This message is transmitted at the request of the civil authorities. A humanity termination warning has been placed for America at 2:06 on Eastern Standard Time. The killer has made clones to destroy Earth, and Asia is now down. The next country is America. We are so sorry to hear that, but we should die in peace. There is nothing to do. Spend your last days or hours, or even minutes. We will play America's national anthem.
Oh, say can you see by